Hello students, this is your science class and the topic today which we are going to study is characteristics of sound wave from the chapter sound waves. Characteristics of sound waves. Wavelength. Wavelength is basically the distance between the corresponding points of two consecutive waves. These corresponding points are basically crust or trough, which are in the same phase. In transverse wave, wavelength is measured from crust to crust or from trough to trough. But in longitudinal waves, wavelength is measured from compression to compression or rarefaction to rarefaction. Wavelength is usually denoted by Greek letter lambda, where lambda is equal to the speed of wave in a medium divided by its frequency. So we will denote lambda is equal to speed over frequency. So in this diagram you can see that there are two crusts, and in between the two crusts there it is mentioned wavelength. So the distance is made from one crust to the next consecutive crust, which completes one cycle or one wavelength. Next characteristic is speed. Speed refers to how fast an object is moving. Speed can be thought as the rate at which an object covers the distance. A fast moving object has a high speed and covers a relatively large distance in short amount of time. It is measured in meter per second and represented by the letter V. The next characteristic is amplitude. The maximum displacement or the distance moved by a point on a vibrating body or wave, which is measured from its rest position. Amplitude is measured in meters. So we will count down the shortest distance which is measured by a vibrating body from its rest position to the endpoint. Frequency. Frequency is the number of occurrences of a repeating event per unit. Frequency is measured in units of Hertz, Hz, which is equal to one occurrence of a repeating event per second. So Hertz is equal to per second. So in this diagram you can see that the number of oscillations of the vibrating body is given in 1 second. Next come the question answers. First question is write a note on the characteristics of sound waves. So the characteristics of the sound waves are divided into waves, amplitude, frequency and speed. This flowchart you will draw on the blank page. Wavelength. A wavelength is the shortest distance between two adjacent crust or trough or of a transverse wave. For a longitudinal wave, it is the distance between two adjacent compressions or rarefaction. The unit is wavelength is measured in meters. Representation, it is represented by letter lambda. Amplitude. Amplitude of a wave is the maximum distance of the particles of the medium from its rest position. Unit amplitude is measured in meters. Frequency. The number of vibration produced by a vibrating body in 1 second is called its frequency unit. Frequency is measured in units called Hertz. When one wave passes in 1 second, the frequency in one wave per second or Hertz. Representation. The symbol of frequency is F. Formula. Frequency is equal to number of waves divided by time. Speed. The distance of a wave covered unit time is called its speed unit. Speed is measured in meter per second. Representation. Symbol of speed is V. So you can draw the table 10.1 on page number 109 on the blank page.